Well, ladies and gentlemen, the 1973 Volkswagen thing is back from the alignment shop. Got me here and didn't kill me. Very excited. It drives really good. I'm really happy. Track's straight. Right now, Ron's gonna take it for a ride around the block. I just want him to feel it. But it's light years better than it's been.
Welcome to Brownsrodandcustom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brownsrodandcustom. Happy Monday. It is March 2nd. It's about 8:54 in the morning. We're opening up the shop. A lot's happened in the past since the last video you guys have seen. This morning at 8 a.m. we dropped off the Volkswagen thing. You can tell it's not here. At the alignment shop. And so currently it is getting in alignment. So that's exciting. Now, I drove it up there. I was running about 50 miles an hour and it drove great. I mean, it doesn't need alignment for sure, but it wasn't trying to shoot me into other lanes. It wasn't fighting me. It wasn't doing any of those weird things, right? So dramatically better. So hopefully once he's done, we can come back, do a couple finishing touches on her and get her up for sale. So that's the plan here with that. So we're waiting on that. And hey, okay. And yeah, so just rolled the Apache out. Nothing new here, but I just thought you guys might want to see old Mater. And I know Ghosty does. But in here, the fight continues to get this painted. So Big Ron has been busting his tail the past couple days, just fine-tuning this body. There's a lot of parts. No, we're not on the parts yet, but we are on the doors, we are on the body, and the trunklet is ready for primer. So trunklet's really close, actually. He blocked it out. I mean, there might be a couple little things, but not bad. The underside of the trunk is pretty much ready. So it's now just a matter of fine-tuning some stuff. The body itself, I went ahead, you guys probably saw the short where I sanded down the third brake light smooth. So that's now smooth. We had some weird like factory welds that were just kind of shitty, that were like clumped up here, so we ground those down. And then there was a couple things in here that he's hitting, just some little spots in the track that you'll never see, but we're cleaning it up anyway. We got the back window area taped and papered, windows retaped and papered. He did get the other window, the rubber around here, or the silicone. He cleaned that up on the other side as well. So we're looking good there. Door jambs, first time I've seen them. They're looking pretty good. We're getting this dialed in. A lot of what we're doing is up in here, up in this under the drip rail area, just kind of fine tuning some of these things. But this is looking pretty good. Just little stuff, you know, you got a little spot filler there. He's taking care of a deal there. I mean, just little things so that we can get this thing primed again, final primed, and then block it with 400 instead of 220. And I think we'll start at like what?
320 or something.
320 and then to 400 and maybe to 500, maybe. We'll see where it goes. But then it'll be ready for sealer, black sealer coat, and then paint. And that'll all be in the same day. And in the same video, you guys will see all that. So we got one more coat of primer to go on this, probably this week, I would say. For sure. And then there's a lot of work on parts. So we got dual parts. So that's happening. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the 1973 Volkswagen thing is back from the alignment shop. Got me here and didn't kill me. Very excited. It drives really good. I'm really happy. track straight. Right now Ron's gonna take it for a ride around the block. I just want him to feel it. But it's light years better than it's been, and yeah, it's good. It's real good actually. So thought I'd give you guys a little bit of footage of her. Should track straight. The only thing I will need to do now is I ordered some new wiper blades, and they showed up while we were waiting. So I'm gonna put the new wiper blades on from the thing shop, and I think I'm gonna back out the steering box a couple turns. I think it's a little tight, but other than that, it's really good. So I think I can just do a little adjustment on the steering box, which is very simple. And you Volkswagen guys know what I mean. 17 millimeter and a flathead screwdriver, and about 30 seconds and you can have that done. And yeah, so there you go. While we've been waiting on the thing, we were working on the 44 back there, doing a lot of stuff, a lot of body work. Right now, I'm gonna officially call it the body itself and the trunk lid are ready for final prime and final block. They're ready. Door jambs are good, wheel wells are good, car feels great. I feel straight as an arrow. So what we're gonna do is, not today, but probably the next couple days, we'll put 2 heavy coats of primer on it, on the body and the trunk lid, and we will block it with 400. Here comes Ron back around. He's loving it. If he didn't, he'd stop driving it. So, yeah, we're in a really good place with the Volkswagen. I'm really happy. I'm actually relieved, I think is the the right word for that. But deck lid for the 40, pretty much ready for paint. Body of the 40, pretty much ready for final prime and paint. Ron's been working on retaping off the windshield, getting the tape pushed down behind the rubber so there's not a line. And same here, same on the other side over there, just trying to dial that in. This last piece of aluminum peel and stick that we got on here is going to get peeled out. It'll look like that until I get the whatever insulation we end up using, Kilomat or Dynamat or one of them. But for now, if nothing else, it's protection. So yeah, guys, we're rocking. I've been working on this door here, getting this door dialed in around here, and it's starting to look pretty good. Also been working on this panel here, dialing it in. It's really close. I think we heavy prime it. I think there was one little spot here that I want to hit there and there, and it'll be good to go. And yeah, Big Ron should be coming back around the bend here in a second. But yeah, we're doing really good, I think, over here on the 40. And hopefully, you know, in the next couple weeks, we'll be really seriously talking about painting that car. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, guys. I'll probably take you for a ride later in it and let you guys see, but so far so good. And we got to be a little careful. We need to go get some fuel in the thing, but otherwise she's doing good. Better? Yeah. So Big Ron gives us seal of approval. So yeah, I almost can't believe I'm saying it, but from a suspension and mechanical standpoint, the thing is pretty right now. Electrically, it's right. A lot of good things happening. So I'm gonna swap out those wiper blades and find us some lunch, and I'll be getting back with you guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So it's about 4 o'clock. Big Ron now has the body to the 40 Ford, pretty much ready for final prime. I think he's got a little taping off to do on the black you see here, but other than that, the physical bodywork piece of it's done. Most of the taping and papering and all that is done, and we should be, by the a little bit later here in the week, be shooting 2 more coats of primer on this, final prime, and we'll be blocking it down with probably 3 something and then 400, and then it'll be ready for paint, sealer and paint, black sealer coat and paint when we get around to doing that here soon. So body of the 40 Ford is pretty much ready. That's huge. I've been working on the door around the outside of the door, the edges. It's coming around. Also been working on this piece here, which this is the hood comes down and this covers up the top of the grill, and the hood latch is right here. So that's coming around. Trunk lid's ready for final prime. It's fantastic. And the belle of the ball, 73 Volkswagen thing, is really looking good. So new wiper blades came in. I went ahead and put them on. They came from the thing shop. Got them on here. Also removed the crappy pitted rusty chrome corner marker cover, and put one of the OEM ones I got from Bug Jam on here. Big Ron's working on a little compound and polish on the other one, and this headlight ring. Also went ahead and tightened down some stuff. The visors here, the sun visors, I tightened them up so they wouldn't fall down or anything. And I adjusted the steering on this, the steering box, and drove it around the neighborhood umpteen times. Man, it drives good. It's so much better. It's just a different experience to drive this not screwed up. I don't even know where else to put that. So we're doing the final touches right now. Hopefully tonight I'll put this up for sale. And if you guys are looking for a 73 Volkswagen thing, this one will be for sale. It's honest to God not going to be that expensive. I'm looking to be somewhere in the 25,000. That's what I'm gonna be asking for it. No real trades or anything like that. Just looking to sell it outright. Cash is king, and you know, if you're looking for something like that, hit me up in the chat or message me, and you can always email me at brownsrodandcustom@gmail.com, and we can set something up. But yeah, car's running great. Really the only thing I really have to do to it right now is put gas in it. That's about it. So I feel pretty good about that. So yeah, it's a good day, guys. It's a good day. We're moving in a direction which is awesome, because it needed to we needed to move in a direction. So looking pretty good. For those of you that haven't seen the inside of this, I don't know if you can see through the window here, but here it's got the VACP steering wheel. It's got a screen that goes in there, an 11-inch or 10-inch screen. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, all the things. The MP trigger shifter, VACP e-brake handle with the mahogany knob, the mahogany VACP shift knob, the mahogany duck boards. All of this matches. Thing shop rear seat covers. I mean, the whole thing. The wipers work good. Everything works. It's got the thing shop glove box door with the radio opening there. So you do have a glove box in this one. OEM grab handle. You got a hard top. Memphis audio speakers. There's 4 of them, 2 in the back here and 2 in the kick panels. All of the kick panel pieces and the back pieces here that you see in black are from the thing shop. And yeah, it's got a really nice set of 17x8 wheels all the way around. Wide 5, the original thing stuff. You've got, it's 4-wheel drum brakes like it was, 74 thing exhaust, smoke tail lights. The engine, 1600 dual port. It's got the MP alternator, MP intake manifold. It's got a J-Bugs 34 pick carburetor, the MP electronic distributor with vacuum advance. Yeah, you know, painted the 10s, you know, It's all that stuff's new. Plugs are new. Everything's new. Runs great. No issues there. I had Volkswagen mechanic come up and tune it up for me, and got it dialed. It does have the empty aluminum valve covers. The valves were just adjusted. Plugs are new. Oil's changed. The whole deal. It's basically a new car. I think the car's got, let's look here. Let's look, see how many miles are on this thing. Let's see, how many have I put on it? It's got 140 miles on it. And honest to God, probably 120 of those, well, about 100 of them are around this neighborhood. Just doing laps. Because I drive it every morning, because I back it up so we can get the truck out and stuff. And I take it around a block and just let it run and make sure everything's dialed and whatnot. But yeah, this was a full restoration, frame off, redid everything. It's got air shocks and Monroe air shocks in the rear. It's got KYB AGX, AGX2s or something like that. XLGs in the front. All new ball joints, new brakes, everything, it's all new. The whole wiper system's brand new. Everything's new. So, really, really nice car. I think somebody's really gonna love. So if you're interested in this, let me know. Hardtop does come off. If you're curious about that, check out the channel, the playlist for the 74 or 73 Volkswagen thing here on YouTube, and it'll show you where we started and how we got here. Every day of the build is there. You can see what we got. But I think you guys will really appreciate the car when you actually see it. If you're thinking about buying one, it's a good one. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Big Ron's doing some final touches here. It's looking good, and yeah, cleaned right up, didn't it? Yeah, little work. Yeah. So yeah, everything's looking good. But yeah, so basically where we're at here, just to wrap this up, things going up for sale tonight. Nothing's happened here on the Apache. The body of the 40 Ford is ready for paint, or not paint, but final prime. We have the primer, we have everything to do it. We're not gonna do it yet. Kind of mid to end of week. I'm busy tomorrow, so Ron will be out here working on the doors. He'll be dialing this one in and probably start working on that door and just dialing in parts, right? So what I'd really like to have is the body ready for paint, final prime and blocked, ready for paint. Same with the doors, deck lid, and then we'll start moving forward. Then we'll get on the hood, the front fenders, and the grill here later on into the week kind of thing. So stay tuned for all of this. Hopefully soon we'll be painting and undercoating and bedlining the wheel wells and the bottoms of the fenders and all the parts I got up here ready to go. I just got to scuff them up and get them bedlined as well. And yeah, start making this thing, getting this thing ready to go get some flames hopefully. So stay tuned for all this, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. And yeah, appreciate all of you. Have a good one, guys.